are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Today is my special day rather than the other day because of you.
Oh, really? I'm sorry that I made you really.
No, it's okay. What do you think about myself?
Uh, you're just normal. You're a
Yeah,
normal person.
but I think you keep me in your surveillance that when I gonna go for PK with other people, you just maybe pick me up.
When I went on one of your lives and you were on a PK with I think she was French, and your English sounded good.
Yeah. Oh, that's how I'm saying. Maybe you saw my PK. That's how you are saying you speak English good.
Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Where's that at?
It's just which country do you know from South Asia?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. Okay, you know the Pakistan. You know the Pakistan, India.
Yeah.
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 Just my country is just right up to India, and just
Oh.
yeah.
So you're on the other side of the world.
All right.
Whoa.
What do you do for yourself?
Right now I'm not working. Right now I'm looking for a job, but basically nothing really.
But
I,
okay.
About what?
Oh no, go ahead. I'm listening because I can't really find any words. I can't really find any words. I just furnished some question for you, but I forgot everything.
You had questions for me?
But I forgot everything.
What's your name?
My name is Ghazi Nahian.
Ghazi
Nahian. Yeah.
Nahia.
Nahian. Nasian.
Nahia.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ghazi.
Yeah. Absolutely right.
What do you do? Brings
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber at the same time. I'm a just entrepreneur. Just as a beginner.
entrepreneur.
Yeah.
Entrepreneur. Okay. So what brings you to Bigo?
Oh, bigger, especially I'm using this application for learning English, nothing else. There are so many people who come up here for enjoying their time, whether to have gossiping with other people, and mostly they want to earn money. But my intention, I want to improve my English speaking, diving into the native English speaker.
Oh, okay. Well, do you want to travel to the US?
100%. Who doesn't want this?
That's why you're trying to learn English?
Not really just for visiting to the USA, but also I want to be an international blogger. Within a few months, I'm gonna start to do this.
And where are you gonna go?
Oh,
Like your first trip?
oh, first trip. From Bangladesh. If I ask to the American embassy that I want to go to the America, they would not allow me to go in USA because of the security reason. Certainly, I will have to have, listen, I'm gonna explain. Certainly, I will have to have the other country's visa on my passport. That means I need to prove that Ghazi likes to travel across the globe. So I had a fast trip to the India, and I'm planning to go for Singapore, whether Thailand, just around Asia, and then I will try to move the other country.
Okay, so you can't just get up and travel, huh?
All right.
You have to have dinner or something.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
So have you ever had any travel except American state?
Just America. I never went out of state, like out of the country.
Yeah. But what about your interest? Do you wanna go to any other country?
Oh, yes. Mainly I want to go to like Colombia, I really want to go to Colombia, but I never thought like, oh, and I would like to go to the UK, but I never. There's places like I don't think I'll ever go, but there's places where I would like to go if I have money.
Yeah, I understand.